I've been challenged to explain what we do in Planetary Health Biosolution in less than 90 seconds. So let's give it a try. In Planetary Health Biosolutions, we work with our customers to secure a healthier planet. It is as simple as that, and it is as important and challenging as that. So our biosolutions can reduce the use of energy, chemicals and water, and they can help our customers get more out of less. We have a wide range of biosolutions in the many industries we are covering, spanning household care, agriculture, energy and technical industries. I could give you so many examples of what we do, but here's just a few. I wash my clothes at 30 degrees. And how can I do that? Well, I can do that as our enzymes are doing their magic at low temperatures. We are replacing chemicals and lowering the energy use in households around the globe, and that leads to lower CO2 emissions. In bioenergy, we can replace fossil fuels with greener alternatives for transportation. And we are currently exploring how biofuel can be used to power aircraft as well. Climate change are putting an increasing strain on farmers and their resources. And in plant health, we utilize bacteria to help protect plants against diseases and pests, and also securing that the plants become more robust. So there is a biosolution for almost anything, and we work with our customers to transform the industries for a positive and lasting impact on our planet. So if you want to hear more, reach out to me or one of my colleagues. So see you.